Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a career as a virtual assistant with time etc. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a career as a virtual assistant with time etc., start by researching the role. Understand what a virtual assistant does and the skills required. Visit the Time etc. website to explore their platform and offerings. Create an account on Time etc. to begin your application process. Prepare your resume, highlighting relevant experience and skills. Include any administrative, organizational, or customer service experience you have. Draft a compelling cover letter that showcases your enthusiasm and suitability for the role. Take the time to complete any assessments or tests required by Time etc. Enhance your skills by taking online courses related to virtual assistants. Familiarize yourself with tools commonly used in the industry, such as Google Workspace and project management software. Once accepted, complete your profile on Time etc., giving details about your skills and availability. Set your rates based on the market and your experience level. Start accepting tasks and projects that align with your skills and interests. Focus on delivering high-quality work and meeting deadlines to build a positive reputation. Communicate effectively with clients to understand their needs clearly. Seek feedback from clients to improve your skills and services continually. Consider specializing in a niche area, such as social media management or bookkeeping, to stand out. Network with other virtual assistants to share tips and resources. Stay updated on industry trends to remain competitive. As you gain more experience, pursue opportunities for growth within Time etc. Overall, building a career as a virtual assistant requires dedication, ongoing learning, and commitment to excellence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.